Hello friends, my name is Mia. Welcome back. Today I have a story for you. It is a simple story. Please listen slowly. Listen and relax. I have a small dog. His name is Coco. Coco is brown and white. He has soft ears. He has a small tail. His tail moves fast when he is happy. And Coco is happy very often. Coco lives with me. We live in a small house. The house is blue. It has a red door. In front of the house, there's a little garden. Coco loves the garden. He likes to smell the flowers. Every morning, I wake up. I open my eyes. And who is next to my bed? Coco. He waits for me. He looks at me. Good morning, Coco, I say. Coco wags his tail. He is ready for the day. Today is a special day. Today, the sun is warm. The sky is blue. There are no clouds. It is a perfect day for the park. Coco loves the park. He loves it very much. I get dressed. I put on my shoes. I take Coco's leash. When Coco sees the leash, he jumps. He runs in a circle. Are you happy, Coco? I ask. He barks. Woof! Yes, he is happy. We leave the house. We close the red door. We walk down the street. The street is quiet. A few birds sing. Coco walks next to me. He is a good dog. On the way, we see our neighbor. Her name is Mrs. Green. She is old and kind. Hello, Mia, she says. Hello, Coco. Coco wags his tail. Mrs. Green smiles. Have a nice day at the park, she says. Thank you, I say. And we walk on. Soon, we arrive at the park. The park is big. There's green grass. There are tall trees. There is a small lake with clear water. Many people are here today. Some people run. Some people sit. Some children play with a ball. Coco is excited. He pulls the leash a little. He wants to run. Slow down, Coco, I say. We have all day. We walk on the path. The grass is soft. The air is fresh. We find a nice spot under a big tree. The tree gives us shade. I sit on the grass. Coco sits next to me. We watch the people. We watch the birds. It is peaceful. After a while, I take out a small ball. It is Coco's favorite ball. It is red. When Coco sees the ball, his eyes go big. Do you want to play? I ask. Woof! Woof! Yes, he wants to play. I throw the ball, not too far. Coco runs. He is fast. He catches the ball. He brings it back to me. Good boy, Coco, I say. I throw the ball again. Coco runs again. We play for a long time. Coco is happy. I am happy too. Then Coco is tired. He lies down on the grass. He breathes fast. Are you thirsty? I ask. I have a small bowl and some water. I give water to Coco. He drinks, then he rests. The sun is warm. The wind is soft. I close my eyes for a moment. Just a moment. It feels so nice. But then, something happens. Coco sees a bird. The bird is small. It is brown. It hops on the grass. Coco loves birds. He wants to chase the bird. Coco stands up. He looks at the bird. His tail moves. The bird hops away. Coco pulls the leash. He pulls hard. Coco, no, I say. But it is too late. The leash slips from my hand. Oh no, Coco runs. He runs fast. He chases the bird. Coco, Coco, come back, I call. But Coco does not stop. He runs and runs. The bird flies up into the sky. But Coco keeps running. He runs past the trees. He runs past the people. And then, I do not see him. Coco is gone. My heart beats fast. Where is my little dog? I stand up. I look left. I look right. I do not see Coco. Coco, I call again. Coco, where are you? I start to walk. I walk fast. I look everywhere. I look under the trees. No Coco. I look near the benches. No Coco. I look by the path. No Coco. I feel scared. I feel worried. A little girl is playing near me. Excuse me, I say. Did you see a small dog? He is brown and white. The girl thinks. No, she says. I'm sorry. Thank you, I say. And I keep looking. I walk to the playground. Children are playing. There are swings. There is a slide. Did anyone see a small dog? I ask. A boy points. I saw a dog run that way, he says. He points to the lake. Thank you, I say. And I run to the lake. My heart is still beating fast. I am worried about Coco. Is he safe? Is he scared? I hope he is okay. Please be safe, Coco, I say to myself. I reach the lake. The water is clear and blue. I look around. I do not see Coco. Coco, I call. Coco, are you here? I listen. It is quiet. Only the birds sing. Then I hear something. A small sound. Woof! I stop. I listen again. Woof! Woof! It is Coco. I know his bark. My heart jumps. Coco, where are you? I follow the sound. I walk near the water. And there, by the lake, I see him. It is Coco. He is standing near the water. He is a little wet, but he is safe. He is okay. Coco, I run to him. Coco sees me. He runs to me, too. I open my arms. Coco jumps into my arms. I hug him tight. Oh, Coco, I say. I was so worried. Please do not run away again. Coco licks my face. His tail moves fast. He is happy to see me, and I am so happy to see him. My little dog is safe. An old man is sitting near the lake. He smiles at me. Is this your dog? He asks. Yes, I say. His name is Coco. He is a sweet dog, the man says. He came to say hello to me, but he did not go into the water. He is a good dog. Thank you for watching him, I say. The old man smiles. Have a good day, he says. Now I hold Coco close. I pick up his leash. I hold it tight. No more running today, Coco, I say. Coco looks at me. He is calm now. He is tired, and I think he learned a lesson too. We walk back slowly. We pass the playground. We pass the big tree. The sun is going down now. The sky is orange and pink. It is beautiful. I think about the day. It was a happy day. It was also a scary day. But everything is okay now. Coco is safe, and that is the most important thing. We leave the park. We walk down the quiet street. We see Mrs. Green again. She is watering her flowers. How was the park? She asks. It was an adventure, I say with a smile. Mrs. Green laughs. Coco wags his tail. We reach our blue house with the red door. I open the door. Coco runs inside. He goes to his bed. He is very tired. He lies down. He closes his eyes. Soon, he is sleeping. I sit next to him. I pet his soft ears. Good night, Coco, I say softly. I love you. Please stay close to me. Coco sleeps peacefully. His little tail moves a tiny bit. Maybe he is dreaming. Maybe he is dreaming of the park. Maybe he is dreaming of birds. And so, our day ends. It was a long day. It was a full day. We played, we got scared, and in the end, we were together again. That made me very happy. Friends, remember this. Always hold on tight to the ones you love. Keep them close. Keep them safe. Because love is the most important thing of all. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped your English. Please listen again if you want. Practice makes perfect. Take care, friends. Stay happy, stay safe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe for more daily English. See you next time.